the slide virtual machines. In virtual machines, we showed that a totally different operating system can load in the host operating system while using a virtual machine, and thinks that the hardware is actually hardware, but it's actually an emulated hardware, and it's a software actually. We also discussed language-based protection. We showed that a person writing a code needs to write it in a own safe way. An example, we showed the Java programming that it has a sandbox which preferably and specifically protects the code from performing malicious activities, and because it runs in the sandbox, it cannot cause a direct damage to the hardware on the computer. And finally we discussed the virtual memory, which we showed was a good way to extend the RAM of the computer, and also to add a security added features to the memory, while allowing two processes to intersect with each other and to use different segments of memory in the virtual memory pool that interact with each other. So this concludes the lecture of Module 2, Lecture 2, and I would like to thank you of attending this course.